Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy Sphere. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology with a countdown of the top 12 coolest insane gadgets from Amazon that you won't believe exist. From mind-blowing tech to innovative solutions, these gadgets are sure to amaze and inspire. Let's get started. 12. Mellow Charger. The Mellow Charger is a revolutionary device designed to seamlessly integrate technology with everyday life, offering a blend of convenience and efficiency. This state-of-the-art charger is engineered to deliver rapid, reliable power to a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and wearables. What sets the Mellow Charger apart is its intelligent charging technology, which optimizes power distribution to ensure devices receive the perfect amount of charge, reducing wear and extending battery life. Its sleek, compact design makes it an ideal accessory for both home and on-the-go use. With multiple ports and compatibility with various charging standards, the Mellow Charger eliminates the need for multiple adapters and cables. Additionally, its built-in safety features protect devices from overcharging and overheating, giving users peace of mind. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, the Mellow Charger stands as a testament to innovative design, making power management simpler and more efficient than ever before. 11. Views XR Dual VR Camera. The Views XR Dual VR Camera represents a leap forward in immersive imaging technology, offering users an unparalleled experience in virtual reality content creation. This versatile camera combines two powerful functionalities into one sleek device. It can capture both 360-degree 3D virtual reality footage and standard 2D video with ease. Featuring high-resolution dual lenses, the Views XR delivers stunningly clear and vibrant imagery, whether you're documenting a scenic landscape or recording an action-packed event. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly controls make it accessible to both amateurs and professionals, while its compact design ensures portability and convenience. The camera supports various shooting modes, including VR 180 and traditional 2D, providing flexibility for different creative projects. Additionally, the Views XR's real-time stitching technology ensures seamless integration of footage, reducing the need for extensive post-production. With its cutting-edge features and versatile functionality, the Views XR Dual VR Camera is a game-changer for anyone looking to explore and create in the realm of virtual reality. 10. Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2 Photo Printer. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2 Photo Printer offers a delightful way to bring your digital photos to life with vibrant, tangible prints. Compact and sleek, this portable printer connects effortlessly to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to print high-quality, credit-card-sized Instax Mini photos in just seconds. With its enhanced features, the Instax Mini Link 2 introduces new creative options, including augmented reality (AR) printing, which adds fun animations and effects to your photos. The printer's improved color accuracy and image quality ensure that your memories are preserved in vivid detail. Its intuitive app allows you to edit and customize your photos before printing, offering a range of filters, frames, and layouts to make each print unique. The Instax Mini Link 2's quick print speed and ease of use make it an ideal companion for capturing and sharing special moments, whether at parties, events, or everyday life. 9. OXS Thunder. The OXS Thunder is an advanced and versatile power tool designed for high performance and efficiency. Renowned for its robust construction and cutting-edge technology, the OXS Thunder delivers exceptional power and precision across a range of applications. Whether used for heavy-duty tasks like drilling and cutting, or for more intricate work, this tool provides the reliability and durability needed to tackle demanding jobs. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and reduces user fatigue during prolonged use, while its intuitive controls make operation straightforward and user-friendly. The OXS Thunder's innovative features, such as advanced motor technology and efficient energy consumption, contribute to its superior performance and longer lifespan. Additionally, the tool's compatibility with various accessories and attachments enhances its versatility, making it a valuable addition to any professional or DIY toolkit. With the OXS Thunder, users can expect enhanced productivity and exceptional results, making it a top choice for those who require high-quality performance in their power tools. 8. MSI Liberator Foot Pedal. The MSI Liberator Foot Pedal is an innovative and versatile input device designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows for gamers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts alike. This high-performance foot pedal features programmable buttons that can be customized to execute complex commands, shortcuts, or macros with a simple tap of the foot. Its durable construction and ergonomic design ensure comfort and reliability during extended use, while its non-slip base keeps it securely in place. The MSI Liberator integrates seamlessly with various software and gaming setups, offering a significant boost in efficiency by allowing users to keep their hands on the keyboard and mouse while accessing additional functions, whether you're gaming, coding, or managing multimedia tasks. 7. Hynix Magful. The Hynix Magful is a cutting-edge magnetic charging solution that stands out for its versatility and efficiency. Designed with both convenience and performance in mind, the Magful utilizes advanced magnetic technology to provide a secure and swift charging connection for a variety of devices. Its innovative design features a magnetic connector that easily aligns with your device's charging port, ensuring a snug fit and minimizing wear and tear on both the cable and the device. The Magful supports fast charging capabilities, allowing for quick and reliable power delivery while reducing cable clutter. Its robust build and high-quality materials ensure durability and long-term use, making it a reliable choice for users who demand both functionality and style. Whether you're charging smartphones, tablets, or other compatible gadgets, the Hynix Magful offers a seamless and efficient charging experience, enhancing convenience and streamlining your tech setup. 6. GeekHub. GeekHub is a dynamic and innovative platform designed to cater to the needs of tech enthusiasts, developers, and creative professionals. It serves as a central hub for accessing a wide array of technology resources, from software tools and development kits to industry news and cutting-edge gadgets. GeekHub offers a collaborative space where users can share knowledge, collaborate on projects, and stay updated on the latest trends and breakthroughs in technology. Its user-friendly interface and robust features make it an invaluable resource for both beginners and seasoned experts, providing access to tutorials, forums, and technical support. With a focus on fostering community engagement and continuous learning, GeekHub empowers users to enhance their skills, connect with like-minded individuals, and stay at the forefront of technological innovation. Whether you're coding a new application, exploring the latest hardware, or simply seeking inspiration, GeekHub provides the tools and connections needed to drive your tech journey forward. 5. Hyperdolly Camera Movement. The Hyperdolly Camera Movement System is an advanced tool designed for filmmakers and content creators seeking precise and dynamic camera motion. This cutting-edge system combines the functionality of a dolly with sophisticated tracking and control features to deliver smooth, cinematic camera movements. Equipped with high-precision motors and a stable, adjustable platform, the Hyperdolly allows for seamless panning, tilting, and tracking shots, ensuring that each movement is executed with fluidity and accuracy. One of the standout features of the Hyperdolly is its ability to integrate with various camera setups and control systems, offering versatility for different shooting scenarios. The system's programmable movement capabilities enable users to set up complex shots with ease, while its intuitive interface ensures straightforward operation. Additionally, the Hyperdolly's robust construction and reliable performance make it suitable for both studio and on-location filming. By combining advanced technology with user-centric design, the Hyperdolly enhances the creative possibilities for capturing stunning professional-grade footage. 4. Humane AI Pin. The Humane AI Pin is an innovative wearable technology designed to seamlessly integrate artificial intelligence into everyday life. This sleek, compact device is worn as a pin on clothing or accessories and serves as a personal AI assistant, offering a range of smart features through intuitive interaction. Equipped with advanced sensors and connectivity options, the AI Pin can perform tasks such as voice recognition, contextual notifications, and real-time information retrieval, all while maintaining a discreet profile. The Humane AI Pin stands out for its emphasis on user privacy and convenience, providing intelligent assistance without the need for constant screen interaction. Its design focuses on blending technology into daily routines effortlessly, offering features like hands-free communication, smart reminders, and contextual assistance based on user preferences and location. With a focus on enhancing productivity and personal efficiency, the Humane AI Pin represents a significant step forward in wearable technology, merging advanced AI capabilities with practical, user-centered design. 3. Aputure MC Pro LED Light. The Aputure MC Pro LED Light is a versatile and compact lighting solution designed to meet the needs of both professional filmmakers and content creators. This powerful LED light offers exceptional color accuracy and brightness in a highly portable form factor. It features a wide color temperature range and advanced RGB capabilities, allowing users to create a variety of lighting effects and match any scene's aesthetic requirements. The MC Pro is equipped with an array of customizable settings, including adjustable brightness, color temperature, and special effects, which can be controlled via a user-friendly app or directly on the light. Its robust build quality and long battery life make it suitable for on-location shoots and dynamic filming environments. The light also supports wireless charging, adding an extra layer of convenience for busy production schedules. With its compact size and high performance, the Aputure MC Pro LED light is an excellent choice for achieving professional-grade lighting in a portable and flexible package. 2. Rode 3. The Rode 3 is a state-of-the-art automated guitar tuner designed to simplify the tuning process for musicians of all skill levels. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Rode 3 features enhanced tuning accuracy and a user-friendly interface. It utilizes advanced algorithms and vibration sensing technology to quickly and precisely tune guitars and other stringed instruments. One of the standout features of the Rode 3 is its ability to handle a wide range of tunings, including standard, drop, and custom tunings. It supports various instrument types and can also store multiple tuning profiles, making it a versatile tool for both live performances and studio sessions. The device connects to a smartphone app via Bluetooth, allowing users to easily manage and customize their tuning settings. The Rode 3's ergonomic design ensures ease of use, and its rechargeable battery provides extended operation time, making it a reliable companion for musicians on the go. With its combination of speed, accuracy, and flexibility, the Rode 3 revolutionizes the way musicians approach instrument tuning. 1. Plod Note AI Voice Recorder. The Plod Note AI Voice Recorder is an advanced voice recording device that combines cutting-edge AI technology with practical functionality to enhance productivity and convenience. Designed for professionals, students, and anyone in need of efficient voice documentation, this recorder offers high-quality audio capture and smart features that streamline the recording process. Equipped with AI-powered transcription capabilities, the Plod Note can automatically convert spoken words into text with impressive accuracy, saving users time and effort on manual transcription. Its intuitive interface allows for easy operation, and features such as noise cancellation and adaptive microphone sensitivity ensure clear, crisp recordings even in challenging environments. The device also includes organizational tools like tagging and keyword search, enabling users to quickly locate specific sections of their recordings. With seamless cloud integration, the Plod Note facilitates easy sharing and access to recordings from various devices, enhancing its utility for collaborative work and remote access. Its compact design and long battery life make it a reliable and portable solution for capturing important audio content anytime, anywhere. And that's our countdown of the top 12 coolest insane gadgets from Amazon. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.